3 super simple ways to double your customer base and increase sales in 30 days. You can easily double the volume of business clients or customers within 30 days by following simple but highly effective steps to generate leads and successfully convert them into paying customers. By following these 3 simple and effective strategies, you can easily add new customers in record time. Strategy number 1, build a loyalty ladder to create raving fans. Loyal customers are ideal customers. Those loyalists who sometimes refer others to the business are even more valuable because they are active advocates. But the most prized clients and customers of all are those who become so energized about the level of service they receive that they cannot stop telling others about it. These raving fans are a golden asset and a tremendous source of new customers. For your company to rise to this level of appeal requires an intentional effort to personalize your transaction and aspect of the customer service relationship. Rather than offering a preferred customer a standard discount coupon, for instance, you might instead offer them tickets to a golf tournament or symphony, deliver flowers or a gift basket to them, or pamper them in a special and memorable way. The investment in service should be calculated based on the value of the business that the raving fan brings to the company. When others who are advocates witness this kind of VIP treatment, they will likewise become inspired to rave about the business to enjoy the exclusive benefits of this preferred customer relationship. Strategy number 2, create strategic business alliances. By partnering with other businesses with which there is a common customer demographic but no actual direct competition, a company can expand its customer base quickly and easily. Those customers who trust other businesses and have proven their loyalty to them will be inclined to follow their recommendations or perceived endorsements of an alliance partner. By choosing good alliances, it is possible to build all sorts of creative campaigns to increase the customer base. You can advertise jointly, throw a joint event together, team up to support a local charity, or even conduct cross-sell offers. Strategy number 3, convert a single customer into multiple customers. One of the easiest ways to increase the number of customers is to concentrate on those already in your database. This kind of conversion is often just as lucrative but far less expensive than trying to drum up business from cold calling those who have never stepped foot in the store. By upselling or cross-selling, for example, profits can multiply in a variety of ways and across several different directions or product lines. Cross-selling is suggesting other relevant products people can try. When you buy a cell phone online and the online store suggests screen protectors for that model, that's cross-selling. Upselling is persuading the customer to upgrade their product or buy a more expensive version of it. Let's stick with the cell phone example. If you're about to buy a model with 32 gigabytes of storage space, the online store can suggest you get the one with the 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes. If you implement any one of these simple but effective strategies, you can easily add new customers and boost sales in less than 30 days. If you are new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you would like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost profits, subscribe to our channel. If you need help to implement effective marketing strategies that will generate more customers in 30 days, go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free profit boost call so you can see how we can identify additional ways to help you increase sales and boost profits. No obligation, no sales pitch. We help businesses boost profits on a pay after results basis.